The Samsung Galaxy M30s sports a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity U display. The display has a 91% screen-to-body ratio and houses the front camera in a little U on the top. It also houses 3 cameras at the back. It has a 48-megapixel primary camera with an f2.0 aperture. The second is an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera for capturing wide-angle shots. And finally, we have a 5-megapixel depth-sensing camera for bokeh photos. It also has a night mode for shooting photos in low-lit conditions. The rear camera can shoot videos in 4K. For your selfie needs, the smartphone has a 16-megapixel selfie camera. It has an in-display flash to assist the front camera for low-light photos. For security, it has a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor and also supports face unlock from the front-facing camera. The Samsung Galaxy M30s runs on Android with Samsung's One UI overlaying it. For performance, it relies on the Exynos 9611 processor. The smartphone is available in 2 variants, 4GB RAM with 64GB storage and 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. It is available in 3 color options, Opal Black, Sapphire Blue and Pearl White. The Samsung Galaxy M30s is a dual nano SIM phone with both SIM slots supporting 4G. The 6000 mAh lithium polymer battery comes with 15-watt fast charging. The box includes the handset, power adapter, USB Type-C cable, quick starter guide and a SIM tray ejector. The Samsung Galaxy M30s comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers,